We've just proven that as a nation we can make a huge change, and likewise, each one of us as a person can make a change in our own life if we just decide to. It takes the awareness first, and then accepting over and over again that a change is needed until finally the action is taken. But how? How do we get that action? Well, that takes courage. And that's what Carter and I talk about in our latest ZLORD podcast. I know you're going to want to hear about it because we talk about how we do it in our personal life and how that can be applied to anybody's life. And we give real step-by-step instructions that anybody can follow. Believe me, if you are looking for a change in any aspect of your life, whether you want to lose a few pounds or you want to learn a new trade or a new technique or be a rocket star, whatever, just check out the ZLORD podcast. The connection is in the bio, and sign up for my website too, teZLORD.com. There's always lots of good stuff coming out from the font of creativity. Bye-bye, everybody, and congratulations on choosing the better side of life for your own self and for all of us. Love, I'm talking about.